When the United States was first emerging as a brand new country, American homes were still finding their style. Hi everyone, Ken here. Welcome to This House. Today we are exploring Strawberry Mansion in Philadelphia's East Fairmount Park. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a fascinating episode of This House. In 1773, William Lewis began practicing law in the province of Pennsylvania. After the formation of the United States, he was elected to Pennsylvania's House of Representatives, where, in 1780, he drafted and introduced the first piece of legislation calling for abolition. He made waves in the earliest days of the country's political scene and was appointed by President George Washington to serve on the United States District Court for the District of Pennsylvania, though this role did not fit him well. After serving for only a few months, he resigned without scandal to pursue private practice. During this time, he headed to Pennsylvania's premier neighborhood, Fairmount Park, to build his dream house, which he would name Somerville. It had been completed in 1789 and designed in the Federal style, though its next owner, Jackson Federalist Representative Joseph Hemphill, would greatly expand upon the original house, adding two identical wings, mirroring each other in the Greek Revival style. Let's fast forward more than a century to 1926. The estate had gone through several owners and had been sold to the city for use as a public park. During the World's Fair, a group of well-to-do women petitioned that the house be renovated for the purposes of creating a house museum and event space. By 1931, it was open to the public and furnished with early Americana. Entering the home, you would arrive in the center hall, where simple but elegant, handmade architectural details graced every surface. To either side of the front door, niches were inset and framed by fluted pilasters against wainscoting. Next to these, double doors opened beneath a transom with decorative casings concealing the three-wide brick wall construction. Going through one set of doors, you would find the sitting room styled with contemporary furnishings and a crystal chandelier centered on an oversized hearth. But if we were to head the other direction, we would find the path to the ballroom, residing in one of the house's wings just past the reception room. When the Women's Society had finished renovating the house, the ballroom was featured in the Ladies' Home Journal. Though, currently, it features matching furniture in strawberry red against a creamy background, perhaps a nod to the house's namesake. According to a local legend, the house was named Strawberry Mansion for the sweet treat of strawberries and cream, served by farmers on the grounds every summer. Next we will see the Empire bedroom, which was also featured in the Ladies' Home Journal, appearing as if untouched by time. On the opposite side of the room, a dramatic black mantle contrasts against yellow walls, with candelabras taking the shapes of angels to guard you in your sleep. While some rooms were posh, others embraced a more rustic elegance, such as the kitchen with an 8-person table placed in front of a wood-burning stove over wide plank floors. There are several more rooms to be explored, some that are quaint and some that are elegant. In present day, the Strawberry Mansion is open for tours seasonally, where you can explore what life was like in the first 150 years of the United States history. If you have ever visited, I would love to read about your experience below in the comments section, and while you're there, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an exciting episode of This House.